Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial on bubble sort algorithm. In this video we will learn the concept of bubble sort in 3 steps. So, what is sorting? In computer science, sorting simply means arranging the sequence of elements in specific order. That order may be either ascending or descending. The sequence of elements we call an array. Now, what is bubble sort? Consider an example array to understand. So in each pass, the complete array of elements is traversed. Note that bubble sort is also known as sinking sort. Let's say we want to sort this array in ascending order. 5, 4, minus 2, minus 1. We start from first 2 position elements, then compare whether they are in right order or not. Right order means the first element should be smaller than the second element. So here if the first element is 5. And the second element is 4, we need to swap them to get them in ascending order, so after serving the array looks like 4, 5, minus 2, minus 1. Then we will compare the next 2 elements, which are 5 and minus 2, we know they are not in ascending order, as 5 is greater than minus 2, so after swapping we got the array as 4, minus 2, 5, minus 1. Moving ahead, let's compare the next 2 position elements of the array, that is 5, and the last minus 1, as they are also not in ascending order, so we have to swap them, then we get the results like 4, minus 2, minus 1.5. As we traversed all the elements in the array, hence the first pass is completed, as you can see. When we complete our first pass, we get the largest element of the array, 5, in the last position. But this may not happen in all cases. Now we got array as 4, minus 2, minus 1, 5, For second pass, we start again by comparing the first two elements, that is 4 dot and -2. We know they are not in ascending order, so we need to simply swap this 2, so we get arrays -2, 4, -1, 5. Let's compare the next two elements, that is 4 and -1, is 4 greater than -1? Yes. So we just swap these two numbers. Now our array will be -2, -1, 4 and 5. Now we compare the last two elements, that is 4 and 5. Here 4 is not greater than 5, so no need to swap, as they are already in ascending order. So in the end of our second pass, we got our array as -2, -1, 4, 5. Here we got our sorted array, at the end of the second pass. But the program has to perform n passes in total, for any given array, where n is the total number of array elements.
Now, let's move to the interesting part.
Implementation of bubble sort in C language. Bubble sort is one of the easiest sorting techniques in programming, and it is very easy to implement. This is the program for bubble sort in C language. Here we declare 4 variables in one array. In this for loop, we input the array to be sorted. This is the conditional statement to compare the two adjacent array elements. We know these three statements are used to swap the two adjacent elements. With this for loop, we simply print the sorted array. To improve the results of bubble sort, we can have the optimized implementation of bubble sort. To get an optimized output, we insert a flag variable in for loop. This flag variable will hold 1 if there is swapping. If not, then it will break out of the for loop and save time. Here we add a flag variable equal to 0. Flag will hold 1 after the swapping is done. If flag is not 1, it will break out of the loop and save time. We are also done with the program and explanation. Moving ahead, algorithm analysis of bubble sort. Time complexity in worst case big O, n raised to 2. Because of nested loops, outer loops, I, iterates n times an inner loop I, iterates n minus I minus 1 times for every value of I. Space complexity in worst case is big O1, because we do not additionally store any value, instead we just compared and swapped. Thanks for watching. See you later.